My name's Jess and I'm in bed with music. Today I'm going to be hearing Free Bird by Lynyrd Skynyrd for the first time. Thank you so much for joining me as I get to experience this. What do I know about Lynyrd Skynyrd? I know Sweet Home Alabama and I know Tuesday's Gone. Tuesday's Gone has now become one of my absolute favourite songs of all time. So I'm really looking forward to hearing more from them, and I'm going to start that with Freebird. As usual, if you want more content like this, don't forget to press the thumbs up button and the subscribe button so that you can be here for the next lot of reactions. Freebird, let's go. Play. Sounds mad. Ooh. Yeah. This song is definitely in the same spirit as Tuesday's Gone. Alright. God. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. That solo was insane. What? I've never heard one that's gone on for half a song before. That was insane. It was I'm speechless. It kept building and building and building, and just when I thought it couldn't go any further, it just went on and on and on. Oh my goodness. I think my favorite thing about Lynyrd Skynyrd is that there's so much soul in their music, in the lyrics, in the actual chords. It is just, it's an entire experience, and I feel it inside me. It speaks to me. I feel like Lynyrd Skynyrd drag something out of me. It's like I can feel something inside me being dragged out and into the music, and I have no better way of explaining it than that. They do something to me that no other band, no other musician has ever done before. I'm frustrated that it has taken me a good 3 decades to hunt down their music. If you're interested in seeing my reaction to Tuesday's Gone. It's over on my other channel, In Bed with Movies. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to press subscribe so you're here for the next reaction. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!